Nimesh is now joining in to get us all the D-Street chatter. Nimesh, should we expect another strong FI buy figure?
Well, looks like, Rima, that's the overall feedback, that there is buying, and there is buying in banks, OMCs, as well as the MFI space as well. So that's from a flow perspective. But it's clearly the momentum from last week, which continues in today's market as well. The Nifty is about 24,000. The bank Nifty is at record high, up 2%, another 2% gain. And now it is spreading into the broader market stocks as well. The broader market, the mid-cap index is up 2.5%, but a lot of individual names have started reacting and buzzing in the last couple of days, and today is clearly a day for the broader markets to outperform. So a lot of MFI stocks are doing good today. The small private banks are buzzing in trade, and a lot of buying as well from larger institutions. The three space, as I spoke about, private banks, especially the smaller private bank stocks now, MFIs and OMCs. These are the three pockets where there is buying from larger institutions. We've been talking about 23,800 as a big resistance. Now that will turn out to be a big support on the downside. So watch out for that levels on the downside. But looks like, given that about 24,000, 24,100, you could see a further short squeeze and a rally in the Nifty. So that's overall feedback. But clearly, flow seems to be positive again in private bank stocks.
Okay, all right. Flow seems to be positive in private bank stocks. Nimesh, what are you picking up in terms of specific stocks?
Well, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is Shami Hotels. That's been buzzing in the last couple of days. In the last 1 month itself, I guess the stock has rallied all the way from low of 140, 150 to 180 now, and the volumes have also picked up. In Shami, the buzz is that maybe you'll hear a corporate development very soon. A potential fundraising at an SPV level from a global sovereign funds. That's the buzz as far as Shami Hotel is concerned. So that's the first stock to watch out for. The second stock is IDFC First Bank. I've been covering for the last few weeks. It's come into my chatter list few times. And even after the fundraise, the stock has been outperforming, largely on back of aggressive HNI buying. I understand one large HNI investor has been aggressively buying in the last couple of days, and hence a big up move with that name. So that's the second stock. The third couple of stocks where there is delivery-based buying today, Aditya Birla Capital and as well as ABB India. Both are unusual names to figure out in the list of large FI buying in today's markets. Expect high delivery volumes on both the stocks today. And on the flip side, while Bandhan Bank is up today 5%, there is selling is what I understand. So delivery-based selling in Bandhan Bank, and also there is delivery-based selling happening in Max Health for the last few days. So especially in Max Health, the feedback is one large FI long-only fund is an aggressive seller, hence you'll see delivery-based selling in those two names today. Well,
interesting list of names as always, and SAMI, we'll keep an eye out, Nimesh, as you pointed out. Stocks up about 25% over the last 1 month or so. And actually, it's come up very, very quickly. And as Nimesh points out, maybe a corporate development soon here. Mitesh